Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on PUBG. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add friends on your PUBG Mobile game, then follow the steps. Open up your PUBG game application from your app drawer and make sure that you've opened up your game. Once you're inside your game, tap on the little friends box right beneath your profile picture at the top left hand corner and click on the add friend button, which looks like a little human icon with a plus in it. And now on the next page, tap on the advanced search box and enter your friend's nickname or their ID. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the person's profile displayed right beneath. Tap on the human icon in a plus in it right next to the profile of the person and tap on the send button in order to add them as a friend. You can also enter a message in the text box. Enter a message in the text box if you want to do that and send your friend request by tapping on the send button. Similarly, you can also go ahead and add people that you see in the display right here that has been suggested to you by tapping on the plus icon with a human figure in it right next to a profile to add them as a friend. Repeat the process in order to add as many friends as you want. That is how you'll be able to add friends on your PUBG mobile game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.